Hey y'all, this tree right here is pretty cool to me, and I took a picture of it, and I'm gonna show you why I think this tree is pretty cool to me. And, yeah. So here go the tree right here, y'all. Here go the tree up close. This tree done grew some lips. It has an eye. It looks at me every time. It's one of the coolest trees ever, man. Man. You know, y'all, they say trees are alive, so. This tree, I mess with this tree. I like this tree. I really do. Look at that. So yeah, y'all. This tree, I think it grew some lips. I think it grew some lips since the last time I seen it. That's why, I'm showing y'all this tree. This tree is pretty cool. I love this tree.